Hi, this is Acutech Car Audio and Visual in Winchester, Hampshire. It's a video of a DNR 992 RVS fitted into a Fiat Ducato. Pop the ignition on. There we are, just coming on. This has got built-in camper nav, so you can put your size, weight, height, width in the Garmin based navigation, so you don't get stuck in any little roads or under bridges, etc. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB. It's got a camera input, or in fact 4 camera inputs if you wanted to. If you'd like to have this done in your Fiat Ducato, please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.